Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be fixing this kitchen tap which is dripping all the time. Basically the washer inside is worn out, so that's why it's dripping. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna uh, change the ceramic gland which is in here, inside here. Okay, you got the handle, and inside you got the ceramic gland. uh, we have a kit here which comes with the handle as well as the conversion kit. So that's what we're gonna do now. So it's half thread, okay, uh, quarter turn tap. So that's what we're gonna be fixing today. So to start off with, we're gonna take the cover off here on the side. Okay. So we're gonna undo the screw here. So this is the screw. So you undo that, and then the whole handle just comes off. I'm not going to turn the mains water supply off because the main stopcock is seized. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn all the taps on in the house to release the pressure in this tap. Okay, and then that's how we're gonna be uh, putting the new gland. Okay, so this is the gland here, so we're gonna be using a wrench to undo it. As I mentioned, I'm not going to I'm unable to turn the main stopcock in this house, so I'm just gonna turn all the taps in the house, and gonna do it that way. Okay, it's not a recommended way to do it, but we don't have a choice, we don't have any option. uh, Obviously when I turn the tap on, uh, obviously when I'm gonna take this gland out, okay, ceramic gland, the water will be pouring everywhere. Right, okay, so that's what the new ceramic gland looks like. Obviously this one is with the handles, so we're not going to use the handles, we're going to keep the handles, we're going to save the handle for future. Okay. So this is our new ceramic gland which will go in. Right, we're just gonna be using the same handle again. Okay. Right, we have a problem here, so we're not gonna use the same handle because it's not gonna fit. So we're gonna be using the new handle. Okay, just like that. And I've done the cold water one, and then I'm just gonna do the hot water one as well. Okay. Okay. So take the cap off. Wiggle it a bit to loosen it. Okay, there you go. Okay. So friends, this is the hot water one. Again. So this is our ceramic gland with the handle conversion kit. Again, as I mentioned that I'm not going to turn the hot water supply off. We have an isolation valve underneath under this sink, but because of corrosion, if I turn that isolation valve off, it's gonna start leaking. There you go, friends. This is the old ceramic gland. As you can see, it's pretty much worn out. You can hear the fireworks in the background. Right, there you go. That's that done. And now we're going to be putting new handle there. And okay, just 1 second. There you go. Okay, just gonna replace the cap. There you go. Okay. Right guys, another simple fix. As you can see, um, it didn't take me long to do it, so you can try it in your house. And thank you very much for watching the video.